The controversy over remarks made by Congress MP Rajshekhar Hitnal has now taken a new turn after facing widespread criticism for describing the rape and murder of a foreign tourist as a minor incident. The MP has now issued a clarification. He says his comments were made strictly in the context of promoting tourism. They have been portrayed wrongly, is what he is saying. So while he says his comments were made strictly in the context of promoting tourism to the district, arguing that that district has adequate facilities, safety measures and tourist infrastructure. He's also accused sections of the media for portraying his remarks incorrectly, even though he has categorically described the rape and murder of a foreign tourist as a minor incident. Here's what he is saying in his clarification.
ಭಕ್ತರು ಬರೋ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರವಾಸಿಗರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಕಳಕಳಿಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಕೆಲವಿಷ್ಟು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಂಬಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸರಿಯಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಆಂಜನೇಯನ ಭಕ್ತರು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರವಾಸಿಗರು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸೌಕರ್ಯಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ, ಪ್ರವಾಸಿ ಸ್ಥಾನಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ, ಸುರಕ್ಷತೆ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಆತಿಥ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಳಕಳೆಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾವುದೇ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಗಳು ಕೂಡ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಬಿಂಬಿಸುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಮನವಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Deepak Bopanna tracking the latest clarification coming in for us. He joins us with further clarity. Deepak, in this clarification, take us through the details of what the MP is saying. And is the Congress leadership actually satisfied with what he is now saying, calling rape and murder a minor incident in his initial remarks last year?
Well, we'll really have to see if the Women's Commission really steps in here because there's no apology that has come in from him. There's no regret to the statement that he has made. He only justifies it by saying that, he was only trying to talk about the impact on tourism. But of course, he does, to call that entire incident as a small incident, which in itself is quite appalling to say the least, especially coming from an elected representative. And we've seen multiple activists as well slam him. But he says that, his statement has been misinterpreted.
Thank you so much, Deepak, for joining us with the latest details coming in. The Congress MP there saying that his statement has been misconstrued. We continue to track all the political reactions that may come in. So Rajshekhar Hitnal's comments on rape and murder have sparked quite the controversy. Speaking at an event, he had earlier said that rape and murder of a tourist was a small incident. That comment had gotten national and international publicity. And he had said that, in fact, this incident had caused tourism to fall by 50%. The BJP has hit out at the Congress, saying that through these comments, the Congress's mindset has been exposed and that the party has a history of backing rapists. This, as a clarification, has now come in from the Congress MP, where he is saying that his statement was misconstrued. Here's how the BJP is reacting.
ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂಜಾದ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರೇಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮರ್ಡರ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, ನೋವಿನ ಸಂಗತಿ. ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂತು. ಅದರ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ 50% ಟೂರಿಸಂ ಕಡಿಮೆ, ಈಗ 50% ಟೂರಿಸಂ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಥಳಗಳಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ.